Sawblade.com's Q101 flexback carbon blade is engineered to deliver premier performance. This economical bandsaw blade is designed to excel in cutting wood, but is tough enough to even cut through low alloy steels, non-ferrous metals, and plastics. This is the dynamic general-purpose blade you've been searching for to take your work to the next level. The Q101's teeth are heat-treated, and from this process, each tooth is individually hardened to produce an extremely hard cutting edge. This means your teeth will stay sharper longer and resist stress while cutting. This best-in-class blade is also designed to minimize blade walk and tooth stripping. Using a coarser tooth pitch like a 3 to a 6 CPI will perform extremely well in contour cutting and light resawing in your hard and soft woods. Using a finer tooth pitch like an 8 to a 16 does great in cutting low alloy steels, non-ferrous metals, and plastics. While the teeth are heat treated to increase its rigidity, the back of these carbon bands are not, and this promotes flexibility when cutting curves and irregular shapes. This is how the Q101 gets its name, Flex Back. The flexibility of this blade will give you more accuracy and precision while contour cutting. The hardened teeth will also mean you do not have to sacrifice on durability. The Q101 is a great economical blade because of its low cost per cut for your home woodworking, small shop, stationery, portable mill, and resaw machines. Sawblade.com makes it easy and convenient to order quality American-made bandsaw blades. We carry an extensive line of premium coil stock with a wide range of widths and TPIs so you can get the right blade for the job. Sawblade.com also offers free same-day shipping so you don't have to ever worry about downtime. So stop settling for poor-performing blades that dull quickly, cut crooked, and leave a bad finish. Instead, upgrade to the Q101 Carbon Flexback Blade. I'm Product Specialist Austin Zimmerman with Sawblade.com. And remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.